Unlocking the mystery of parrot type in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase in the English language, parrot type. This phrase isn't as straightforward as it seems, so we're going to break it down together. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring unique expressions, this video is for you. Parrot type is not a phrase you'll find in your standard English textbook. It's a figurative expression used to describe someone who imitates or repeats what others say, without understanding or adding original thought. Think of how a parrot repeats words. It's exactly like that. The term can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting a lack of originality or understanding. Understanding where phrases come from can be just as important as their meanings. The term parrot type likely stems from the behavior of parrots in nature. Parrots are known for their ability to mimic sounds and human speech. This expression takes that literal behavior and applies it metaphorically to human actions. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. For example, during the meeting, he was just a parrot type, repeating what everyone else said. Teachers discourage a parrot type of learning where students memorize facts without understanding them. Notice how in these examples, the phrase is used to describe behavior that lacks originality or depth. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar idea. Phrases like echoing someone's words, copycat, or mimicking can be used in similar contexts. However, parrot type specifically emphasizes the act of mindless repetition. And that's a wrap on parrot type. We hope this video has shed light on this unique phrase and its usage in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, but the fascinating stories and meanings behind them. Thank you for watching, and stay curious about language and its nuances.